Hi, everybody. Dennis here. I just wanted to share with you a concept or an idea for showing kids or teaching kids mode, median, and mean for a range of numbers. We're doing Geoguessr as a game throughout the division, and I thought, well, this would be a great way to show that. So I'm sure if you probably played Geoguessr in the past, but I just wanted to show you a few things. I'll just play. There's lots of different maps on Geoguessr. You can search for different maps up here too. So, for example, if I want to search for Manitoba, there's a bunch of Manitoba maps you can play, and they're fairly, you can. There's lots of different Manitoba maps in here. So, if you want to be more specific in Manitoba, you can actually go in there and try those out and see what you think. But for example, I'll just click on this one here, and I'll play this one. And if you know, you probably know this. Geoguessr was free at one point, and you can still play free games, but you can only do them every 24 hours. If you want to purchase the premium version, then you can play unlimited. I don't know the price. I haven't looked into it, but anyway, let's just play a game here and see what we can do. So the idea here is you look around and see where we are. So we're somewhere in Manitoba, obviously. Look at that. I'm not too sure where this would be, but you can go around and try to find some clues. Looks like there might be a sign up here somewhere. If I move that closer, is that too far? Too far. Hard to see that sign. But you get the idea. You try to figure out where you are in the world, and now we're going to go to Manitoba, and we're going to place that place where we think we are. Let's say we're somewhere out here. You can be specific as you want. Let's say right here, and we guess. And I'll tell you how far away you were. And you can see you earned 1,290 points, and you're 130 kilometers away from that location. So we go to the next round, and it keeps track of all this stuff for you. So I'm just going to go through this really, really quickly. And wow, gravel road. Wow. Feels like I've been down this road many times. Anyway, I'm just going to, this looks like it's down in southern Manitoba here somewhere. We do a guess. And that was actually right by, looks like LaSalle. Wow. Okay, that's not far from, well, that's just down the road from Domain. Wow. Okay. Anyway, you get the idea. And then you can see it's collecting points. And I was 149 kilometers and so on. I'll just play the rest. I'm just going to do quick little guesses here. This looks, I don't know where this is. We'll say it's on a highway somewhere. I'll just guess just really quick. And you'll get this I think it's every third guess you get one of these guys, and it'll just give you an opportunity to play Geoguessr if you so desire. And we'll just wait for that to go away, and we go continue game, and I'll show you how many points you got there. So obviously the closer you get, the more points you get. All right, so play next round, and I think we're on our fourth guess, and I'm just going to go just for sake of time here. I don't want to bore you too much with all the details of how to play the game, but I think you get a sense of how to play this. We'll say we're by St. Cloud. And, well, that put us out in the middle of nowhere here. Wow. North Dakota. So somebody made a mistake on that one. Anyway, that's okay. We'll just keep moving on. Last location. And I'm going to do a quick little scan here. Absolutely no idea where that is. Okay, so we'll just take a quick little guess. Maybe out closer to Brandon. And we'll guess it. Okay, so I'm just going to go continue. And now when you're done, it'll give you a summary of everything that you've done. And this is where I was going to get at. So the kids could open this up. You get this game breakdown right here. And it'll show you exactly how you did. So if I scroll down here a little bit, and you can move in a little closer here, and I'll show you right here. That's what I was trying to show you. It'll show you the different points, and then you could do a mode, median, mean lesson on that. Now, obviously the mode probably won't, because you don't get the same number over and over again, but you may, if you have a lot of kids doing this, you might get that. And you'll notice too that it also gives you how much time you spent on it and how many kilometers you were off. So you could probably do a unit thing too. You could go, I got so many I get 100 points a second or something like that. You could do something like that, or you could give out the problem. So how does Geoguessr calculate the number of points that a person gets? So there's lots of different math ideas you can do here. I also wanted to show you really quickly just a quick little form I made for this. So the kids could just pop in the numbers here. I have it set so it has to be a number. I think it has to be a whole number. So they just pop in there. Let's see, I don't know what the numbers were on mine, but I could go back really quick. 12,090. So the first one, oh, I got to go into, there you go. 12,090. I should have remembered what they were. 1060, 2390 is the next one. 1060, 2390. 1060, 2390, and so on. Let's, for sake of time, we'll just put in, let's say I got 1,000 on that one and I got 4,000 on this one. Okay. And we go submit. Oh, this should be collecting it automatically. You can set that so it collects it automatically. I'll just put in a whatever email for now. And we'll just go submit. And then what it'll do is, if you've done this before, and if you're the teacher, you'll see you have one response here, and it creates a spreadsheet for you. Oh, I guess we got to create it. I know a lot of you have done these forms before, but now you have the data. You have all your kids, you'll have how many points, and you can easily do some really fun little mode, median, mean with all your class data. So just a thought out there. And again, too, if you want to do something a little bit more challenging, like how many points per second or how many points a minute they're getting, that's a fun little activity. And then also the other one was, how do they calculate? What's the points per kilometer off kind of thing? How does that work? So there's some ideas just for your math class. Hopefully that's helpful. Let me know if you try it out and how it works. Okay, if you need any help with creating a form too, let me know. We can work on one together. Okay, see ya.